Hey you guys, welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome. I missed you guys so very much. I have been MIA just for a little bit, so I'm so glad you can join me on this video here. So if you've been rocking out with me, you will currently know that I am having house guests, so I am just tidying up a little bit. Not really my routine that I follow often. This is just a quick tidy up, so I thought I would share it with you. So come join me. So I'm currently here in my entryway. I was moving things around about the house. I had some items sitting in the entryway and it was a bit dusty, so I'm just going through wiping down the glass, all the mirror, and I was wiping around the baseboard as well, just trying to get it back neat. After I finish here in the entryway, getting things just wiped down, I'm going to go ahead and tackle this bathroom here. Like I said, I try to do this pretty often during the week, at least 4 to 5 times a week, because this is a first bathroom and a lot of people do use it, being that it's here on the main floor. Hey you guys, so it is now day 2. Yesterday I was only able to finish the bathroom and the entryway because then we left and you know I have house guests here, so I didn't want to just tie up the day with it just here at the home, cleaning and all that. So what I'm going to do really quickly, because today is my daughter's 16th birthday. Yay for her. And again, I have a house guest, my mom, so I want to tidy up our main level. You know, the kids are just 2 days off their spring break, and birthday, house guest, so I just have a whole you know, a lot going on, but it is a little bit kind of getting messy. So what I'm gonna do, this is gonna be my little secret weapon, and I wanna do it fast so before my mom comes down out of her room trying to help clean. You're on vacation, you don't clean, all the good stuff, okay? So I'm gonna just put everything like back here. As you see, my little table, it has just, you know, the kids getting their hair together, morning routine, you know, trying to get out for school. And we got, you know, assignments and all that good stuff is there. So what I'm gonna do for now, just to hurry up to get this main level tidy, I'm gonna take this laundry basket, plop everything in there. I'm gonna put up what I can, and what I can't get to, I'll stick this downstairs, and then later on tonight when everything is settled down, or first thing in the morning, I will tackle this basket. But for now, it's a busy, super busy day, and I wanna get out and enjoy this beautiful weather here. Laundry basket. So let's do this. Work to do when I get back, but this is going to be the fastest and easiest way just to tidy up, just so the main area is all nice and tidy, and I can, you know, we can celebrate with my daughter when she get off from track practice after school. So I just want the living room just refresh, and this is what, 5-10 minutes of refreshing. This is just a room spray. I am here. I stopped cleaning. I got the eating area wiped down, got the mirror table wiped down. I even did the glass, the picture, the glass is above the table. Anywho, every day, literally, we went into like a bakery, even Starbucks on Post, Etika yesterday. My mom has been getting cheesecake. Every place we stop, she has to try their cheesecake out. So what I did yesterday when we was in a commissary on the military base, I grabbed some items and I'm just gonna make her I thought about doing this before she came, but it was just so busy and time just got away from us. So I'm gonna do a no-bake cheesecake and just let it sit, and she can have her own little personal cheesecake here, because I tell you, she's tried so many cheesecakes and she's only been here for a few days. I think it's absolutely hilarious. So I got 2 packs of cream cheese, which is 8 ounces, and just a can of sweetened condensed milk. Put it into my stand mixer, gave it, first I whipped the cream cheese until it was a really smooth, silky texture. And then I added in the sweet condensed milk and just probably like a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, so that's all I've done so far. And then I also have these. Usually I get the ones that's already crumbled up, but unfortunately the commissary did not have any available. I searched high and low, so I just grabbed the honey graham crackers, and I've taken and I've beaten them. I'm gonna continue to do it. I'm probably gonna put it into my food chopper to get it really fine grade. Then I'm gonna add some melted butter and then press this down into a disposable pan. Hey, this is the consistency of the cookie, the graham crackers. So I'm just gonna pour it in here. Now I have my sugar and my graham. I'm gonna go ahead and add the melted butter. Okay, this is what I always do. I don't have a cupcake container yet. I always just use my egg thing. It's almost like a cupcake. That's what we're gonna do. I put saran wrap, put out a little bit of the crust, and use my finger and press it down into the container. Okay. Okay, now that I have this, nothing too fancy, this is the crust. I'm gonna go ahead and pop it in the freezer for like 20 minutes. did for you. Looks really smooth. How'd you do that?
We sold all our personal belongings to get that. We have nothing now.
How do we turn this off?
It does not ever go off.
Why do we have to turn off? You don't like our music?
Don't play until the battery go out. Happy birthday.